Welcome to the Scrap Tire Cemetery, resting place for the worn and unwanted. Pretty much every shop has one. But those scrap tires in that pile still have a purpose. If nothing else, they can give the experienced truck professional clues on how to lengthen tire life. If you know what caused the tire to be removed from service, you may be able to reduce or help prevent that kind of removal in the future through better tire selection, better mounting procedures, or better tire and equipment maintenance. So let's start with the suggestion of looking at scrap tires as soon as they're pulled off the vehicle. Understanding probable causes of what removed the tire from service will keep more of them on vehicles where they make money. One of the most important parts of effective scrap tire analysis is good record keeping. Your Bridgestone representative has forms which you can use to log your scrap tires. Make note of the tread pattern, size, ply rating, and remaining tread depth, and then look at what caused the tire to be removed from the vehicle. If the casing's been retreaded, you'll want to record that too, including the number of times that it's been done. Do a thorough check of the whole tire, not just obvious areas of damage. One type of common damage is misapplication. For example, say you have a tire designed for highway use. Chips and cuts could tell us that this tire has probably been used off the road. And with the majority of these chips and cuts located in the center of the crown area, we could also conclude that this tire was ran overinflated, causing the center of the crown to be the area of increased contact with the road. This would be the result of poor maintenance. Another kind of mechanical damage that can appear on tread surfaces is rib tearing. This is usually the result of misuse or careless use. Running over curbs or railroad tracks, especially at odd angles or other severe impacts, can cause rib tearing. It can even be worse when vehicles are operating at high ambient temperatures and also have to make a lot of sharp turns. Unless the tears extend to the steel belts, some casings are retreadable. Improper repairs can cause plenty of problems as well. A poor or improper repair can result in big trouble down the road. Even something like a cut in the tire can allow air and water to get inside. Water travels along the cord filaments, and this causes rust to spread, sometimes far from the initial entry point. The broken or damaged cords are no longer carrying their share of the load, and as the intact or undamaged cords get rusty, they lose strength and become brittle. With severe run-flat damage, the inner liner is shredded and is separated or detached from the body ply. The sidewall also has split open and become detached from the body ply nearly all the way around. Things like mismounting tires, incorrect rim size, and careless use of mounting equipment can damage the bead rubber. As you know, the bead has to provide an effective airtight seal. This is a big reason why careful mounting can contribute to overall tire economy. When you're out on the road daily, the outside world can supply various types of hazards. Road debris and potholes can also cause plenty of damage to sidewalls. Tire debris along the roadside is more often the result of damage followed by a run-flat condition, or a run-flat condition alone, not the result of faulty retreading. It's both overinflation and underinflation that put a tire at risk for impact damage. Overinflation makes the tire too stiff to give the way it needs to. Underinflation allows the tire to deflect or flex too much during an impact, resulting in damage to the tire's internal structure. After a lot of investigation, we've discovered that most of the damage that causes these scrap tires to be removed from service has occurred in the sidewall area. This kind of information can help with prevention and repairs. The place to learn about tire damage is your own scrap pile. The information it contains can be a valuable asset to get more miles out of every tire, and therefore more miles out of every dollar. A scrap tire pile may not be the garden spot of your business, but a regular, thorough analysis of your scrap tires can give it new life and purpose.